Everyone, I'm going to show you how to make this gorgeous jewelry organizers with your Home Made Luxe kit. And the first thing we have is some felt, some fabric, a hanger, 2 brushes, some hooks, some paint, and of course our jewelry box. So we're opening up the frame part of our box and we're going to take it out, and that piece we also put to the side. We need to paint that as well. And this is where you get creative. You can paint it. You have white and gold paint. You can paint this whatever color combination you would like. You can give it accents of gold polka dots or stripes or whatever you would like. And just take your time if you don't want to paint the accessories white to go around them really carefully. And just do the same thing with your hanger. Again, you can add polka dots or whatever, and add in like a gold accent around the rim of mine. And then you're going to take your felt and you're going to cut it to the width of the inside of the box. The inside of the box. That's very important. And then just go ahead and cut that. Once you have it all cut, you're going to tightly roll it. Very important to have it nice and tight. That way it doesn't unroll, and that way all of your rolls look uniform. So tightly, just concentrate on the outside and just tightly roll it as much as possible. Push it in there, and you'll need just 5 of these. Once you get the last one in there, then you're just gonna adjust them so they seem uniform and smooth. Now you see the depth of it. If you want it to be even higher up than that, you can use your scrap felt that you just cut to just add some height to the bottom of your box, and then you can put your things back in. That way they'll be higher to the top of your box. And this is just personal preference. And again, just smooth out. Next, you're going to take your fabric, making sure not to use that end that's frayed, and again you're going to cut it to the width of the inside of your box. Once you have that, you're going to take out your first felt roll and you're going to put your fabric in wrong side in. Then you're going to put back in your roll and then flip it over and go ahead and just push down through each roll. At the end of each roll, you're going to just push in that fabric to secure it inside, and you're going to be smoothing as you go as well. Once you get to the end, make sure you smooth everything out, and then you'll see you have some leftover fabric. If it's too much to tuck in, then you're going to estimate and just cut that, and then you'll tuck in the end. There you have it. Now just go ahead and you can use something to maybe push in the sides if you have too much fabric coming out on the sides, or if you cut it accurately, you won't have too much of that. But just go ahead and smooth and make your rolls look uniform. And you're all done. Now you can add your jewelry. Of course, now you can add your frame as well. You can also leave it without your frame, so that you can kind of see your jewelry inside without a picture, so you can kind of see your jewelry inside. But I like to have a picture of my girls on the outside. Aren't they cute? Next, you're going to take your hanger that has dried from your paint, and you're going to insert 3 hooks on either side. It's extremely easy to add your hooks. Just kind of push it in where you want it to be, and to kind of start the hole, and then just twist it in, making sure you're twisting in straight. And making sure that your hooks are facing the same direction. So you're going to want to just kind of use your fingers to estimate and make sure that they're even on both sides. And you're just going to add 3 hooks to each side. And that's it. Now you can add your jewelry. I like to use necklaces. You can also add hoop earrings or dangled earrings or even neck bracelets to this. For crafting with us at Home Made Luxe. We hope to see you again next month when we create another gorgeous home decor piece.